Usimbot Menteri Ramba Kajala uba Prestone den song menda ke santarik unai lor ulapun kesannya ba kejing keno bamsap ya ke sorkar MDA balayalam da ke National People's Party kedaitang kebut politik jong ke BJP habakran bat kilap sai kubor uba Prestone uloong bakani kedaitang kebut Saiñ Pyrthei jong kinong elam ke BJP sengkemi lani kala bandai kejing sngo jong henry kejing keno kedai bet tang kikam politik uba Prestone uloong ru ba ke BJP ke baju milian Pyndonkam ya ke Enforcement Directorate bat ke kenhun CBI kum ke Atiar Saiñ Pyrthei jongka ban pentran ya ke bayale persya dangshan unong elam ke BJP ubadai petlu ya ke jilla meglea u Dr. Chuba au uloong ba anda kilayo ya kikot kisla ki babiang ban pensaki ba kedan sisa kata ke jingbam sap da ke sarkar MDA bat hadin kata kinsele ya ke Pyndonkam.
These people, I think they wanted first to play safe in their line of thinking. Play safe, they'll pull out, then after that they'll put ED and CBI, which I think people understand their mindset. The way the statement made by so-called in charge of the state, Meghala, he said immediately we'll send out, we'll pull out of the government, and then ED and CBI will come. In fact, I would like to advise him, why not you first then ask ED, ask CBI to be in place? Why should you unnecessarily pull out yourself? If you are so clean, if you are so, if you are just like a saint, if that is the case, why do you have to pull out and then again send the CBI or the ED? What is this? That's what I'm telling you. I just call it, this is purely a political gimmick. I also wanted to add here that it seems BJP now prove very clearly, as alleged by be in APP, be in TMC, they are using, it seems, ED or CBI as their political tool. So I also endorse very, very strongly the statement made by our State Unit President, Dr. Kharki. They are part of the MDA, but I think this is a political gimmick created by the, by the so-called high command of the BJP, or maybe it is in the capacity of his own views. That I really don't know. But the way the allegation made from time to time is found to be a political gimmick.